Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to extract any vocals from a song. You can also extract music and instruments from a song by using this AI website. So let's dive into it now. First of all, go to your browser and search vocalremember.org. The link is also attached in the description, so check it out. Now you don't have need to sign up to use, and also it is absolutely free to use. You see the various features in the left corner. You can also split the drums, bass and vocals from a song by using splitter. If you have time, feel free to explore various features. Now, if you want to remove vocals from a song, then go to Remover feature and click Browse my files. Choose your song from the file manager. And wait for some time to processing. For the sake of this video, I take a song from YouTube library to prevent copyright issues. Fun fact is, it's not a song at all. You see, it separates out the music and vocals. Now let's see how the song without music. By doing this, you have to turn off music like this and click play button at the bottom. You also need to turn on the vocal volume. Now play the button at the bottom.
Baby, I'm painting blue. What I want to do.
You see, it removes music and only play vocals, but it's weird to hear. Now choose the format, whether MP4 or WAV, like this, and click save button. You can download music only or vocals only. You can also download both music plus vocals, but I want vocal, so I click vocal and save it from file manager. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech content. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask it on comment section. Follow Telegram to get a PDF of amazing AI websites links. See you soon. Goodbye.